editing Brian here. So there are two things I want to mention about this video, about this, how this cook went down. First thing is I used the pan I used for the steak, the cast iron skillet, was too small for it. And additionally, not only was that too small, was I used the recipe, I used double the amount of steak. I used two flank steaks for this cook when you're supposed to use just one. Not only was the pan too small, it was also had double the amount of meat into it. So there's that. Don't do that. And additionally, too, there are many different things you can put on a taco or a fajita once you have it encased in your warmed up corn tortilla. Please put something. Don't do what I did. Please put something on there to make it taste that much better. Cilantro, lime, sour cream, a lot of different things you can do on there. Please do that. Don't do it plain like I did. It still tasted great, but it can taste even better. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Cheers.